Yes, good evening. It is time now to look into the weather report for tonight. My name is Mollen, Kenyena. Now, we have been having mostly intervals of sunny and cloudy conditions across most areas within the country. Nevertheless, we still continue to see rains across parts of northern Uganda. That includes West Nile as well as the Karamoja region, which continues to also have most of those rains. Now, according to our satellite analysis, we still have those high-pressure systems south of our continent, and those are pushing the rain belt further north of our continent, which is why we're seeing mostly northern Uganda having those rains, and that leaves the rest of the country with intervals of sunny and cloudy conditions. Now, from this, we can anticipate that tomorrow morning we will start off with rainy conditions that will be across the central Lake Victoria Basin, as well as the eastern parts of central, but also across Mubende as well as Masaka. We do expect to start off with a mix of clouds and sunshine. Now, moving over to some of the areas, we do expect the western stretch to start off with intervals of sunny and cloudy conditions, and that will be across most areas also within southwestern. Now, looking at the eastern stretch, that is across Soroti, Tororo, as well as Jinja, we're expecting to start the day as well with intervals of sunny and cloudy conditions. And of course, across the northern sector, we're also forecasting those rains again. That will be across the central northern Uganda as well as West Nile. But looking into Lira and the Karamoja region, will continue with a mix of clouds and sunshine. Now, later, as we head into the afternoon, we will maintain those rains across central northern, the central parts of Lake Victoria region, as well as across Nakasongola. We do have sunny weather that is forecast for Mubende as well as Masaka. Now, the western stretch, midwestern Uganda will have those rains coming through in the afternoon, but a hot day is forecast for Kasese. Temperatures will be at 32 with sunny intervals, and a cooler weather for Kabale Highlands with temperatures going up to 25 degrees. Now, looking at eastern Uganda, in the afternoon, we'll have those rains continuing across the eastern parts of Lake Victoria, as well as most areas within the eastern sector. Now, for northern Uganda, we'll have those rains again developing for the Karamoja region, as well as central northern Uganda and West Nile. We do expect temperatures to rise up to 27, quite cool weather over there, as well as 29 degrees centigrade of being forecast for Kitgum. And some of the cities that we have for you that works across the rest of the world, we're forecasting sunny conditions across Cairo, and temperatures will be at a warm 34 degrees. Also likely to have sunny intervals that will be across New York as well as Nairobi, but a cool day is forecast for Nairobi at 22 degrees centigrade. And with that, we come to the end of tonight's weather report. Thank you very much for joining us, and have a good night.